Hello everyone, and welcome back to Top Amazon Finds, your ultimate source for discovering the best products on Amazon. In today's exciting video, we're delving into the world of convenient cooling solutions and exploring the best mini fridges on 2023. Whether you're a college student, a professional with limited office space, or simply looking for a compact fridge to keep your snacks and drinks chilled, we've got you covered. We've meticulously searched Amazon. Come to bring you a hand-picked selection of the finest mini fridges that combine functionality, style, and efficiency. So let's chill out and discover the best mini fridges that will keep your essentials cool and your life hassle free. Our cooling journey begins with the RYOBI Mini Fridge, a compact and stylish cooling companion that fits perfectly into any space. The RYOBI Mini Fridge features a sleek and modern design with a capacity that's perfect for holding your favorite snacks and beverages. Its advanced thermoelectric cooling system ensures quiet and energy-efficient operation, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, or dorm rooms. With its lightweight and portable design, the RYOBI Mini Fridge allows you to take it on the go, ensuring you always have refreshments at hand. Its eco-friendly cooling technology and low energy consumption make it an excellent choice for eco-conscious consumers. Next up, we have the WDMENA 15-liter mini fridge, a versatile and space-saving solution for small apartments or compact living spaces. This mini fridge offers a generous 15-liter capacity, providing ample room for your drinks, fruits, and snacks. The adjustable temperature control allows you to customize the cooling level to suit your needs, keeping your items at the perfect temperature. The WDMENA mini fridge also features a convenient handle on top, making it easy to transport from one room to another. Its low-noise operation ensures that you won't be disturbed while you work, study, or sleep. The WDMENA 15-liter mini fridge is a reliable and stylish cooling companion for modern living. Now, let's explore the Kaloli 20 Mini Fridge, a versatile and eco-friendly cooling solution that serves as both a fridge and a warmer. The Kaloli Mini Fridge boasts a spacious 20-liter capacity, making it perfect for storing drinks, medications, cosmetics, and more. Its advanced semiconductor technology ensures efficient and quiet cooling, while the warming function keeps food warm during chilly winters. This mini fridge is incredibly energy efficient and comes with both AXD and use power options, making it perfect for use at home, in the car, or on the go. The Kaloli 20 Mini Fridge's modern design and vibrant color options add a touch of style to any space. Prepare to be impressed by the Homdox 20 Mini Fridge, a multifunctional and spacious cooling solution that adapts to your lifestyle. With a capacity of 20 liters, the Homdox Mini Fridge provides ample space for storing snacks, drinks, and skincare products. Its adjustable temperature control allows you to switch between cooling and warming modes, making it ideal for all seasons. The Homdox mini fridge features a durable and eco-friendly construction with low noise and low power consumption. Its portable and lightweight design makes it easy to move around your home or take it with you on your travels. The Homdox 20 mini fridge is a reliable and practical companion for modern living. Last, but certainly not least, we present the RK 2-door mini fridge, a high-capacity and versatile cooling solution for those with larger cooling needs. The RK mini fridge comes with a separate freezer compartment and a spacious fridge section, providing ample space for your groceries and frozen items. Its adjustable thermostat allows you to control the temperature settings for optimal cooling performance. With its reversible doors and adjustable leveling legs, the RK 2-door mini fridge offers flexibility in placement and setup. The fridge's energy-efficient design ensures that your electricity bills stay low, making it a practical and economical choice for larger households or shared spaces. There you have it, the best mini fridges on 2023. With these exceptional cooling companions, you can enjoy refreshing beverages and chilled snacks without taking up much space. For more details and purchase options, check the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home essentials and space-saving tips. Thank you for joining us on this cooling journey. May these mini fridges add convenience and style to your living spaces, ensuring you stay cool and refreshed throughout the year. Until next time, keep it cool and may your life be filled with refreshing moments. Bye!